Okay, what's up guys? So today Trinity is going to be doing my makeup using all of her makeup. She has a channel with her brothers called
Triple Pete.
Yeah, so I'll link that below and make sure to check them out. But anyway, today she is my special guest and she's going to be doing my makeup. So let's get started.
First I'm using foundation.
Okay. Do you know what kind of look you're going for today?
Yeah.
Do you need help?
Yeah. It's not coming out.
It's cold.
I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, now I'm gonna put this. Oh, there's vegan fitness on you. Okay, now I'm gonna rub it on. But first, I'm gonna start with a different one because this one is way too much.
Pull out the backup beauty blender.
Do you see? Yeah, the pink one.
Okay. Is it matching my skin color?
Yeah. This is a lot.
Yeah, it's gonna be real full coverage.
I don't know. But you put so much in. Or on, whatever it is. It's like so like light. Looks like sunscreen. Not rubbed in. There.
Okay, we're all blended in. Step one, check. Now what are you gonna do?
This. Alright. Here's this one.
Okay. And what are you doing that for?
To like get it like darker because you're so light.
I need a tan on my face.
Yeah. Where's the sun at? It's coming. The lid's not on. And it's on. Oh my
Did the sun come out a little more than you expected?
gosh. Yeah. The sun is really getting you tan. And it's rubbing you with a brush to get tan. I don't need this again. Oh, but
All done?
yeah. You just got a little bit tan today.
Ooh, I got a tan. Next step. Highlighter.
Yep. Done.
Nice and highlighted.
Now we're gonna do that.
So this is what we have so far. We just did our blush and now she's gonna do my eyeshadow. So she's gonna use her Ulta palette that she has here. And do you know what color you're gonna use?
Yep.
Which one?
That one, because I reversed it. And then use this one. The fancy unicorn one.
Fancy. So there's my eyeshadow. Are you gonna do any more? What are you moving on to now? Brows? Okay.
This. It's hard to put it on yours as it's so big.
Oh, my eyebrow's so big.
Yeah. There's that one.
Okay.
There.
Eyebrows done. What do you think?
Eyelashes.
Mascara?
I got this for Christmas from my dad. What's
Mary
your-
Kay, Lash Love Lengthening.
Can you close your eyes? Because it's way easier to close your eyes. Okay, open your arm. There we go.
Okay, now what?
I'm just gonna do like the thing.
Okay.
But
Eyeliner?
Yeah, I'm just gonna do it right here with one because it hasn't been used.
Okay.
Sure. Okay. There.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Here's another one. There, I did one shorter and one longer.
Okay. Next step.
Lipstick.
Lipstick? Okay, let's see. What color are you going to pick for me?
This is a nice pink. Okay.
It smells good.
Probably because it always smells good. And it could be a snow one.
Mm-hmm. One lip done.
The second one. I'm doing them two different colors.
Okay.
There we go.
Is it pretty?
Yep.
Are you all done?
And I'm gonna blend it all in.
Okay.
A brush for thickness.
This one looks nice and fluffy.
Yeah. I'm not gonna blend them with it because
Okay.
all of this is powdery. All rubbed in. You look like a unicorn on your eye.
We'll do the final reveal, okay?
1, 2, 3. Show your beautiful face.
Oh, thank you. Let me put on my glasses. Do I look so pretty, Trinity?
Yeah.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
So, who thinks that I should do Trinity's makeup next time?
Give it a big thumbs up.
If you want to see me do Trinity's makeup,
And
should I
review.
use my makeup or should I do it using Trinity's makeup?
Maybe yours.
Mine?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Should we blow them a kiss? Ready? Mwah.